Sharper gravitational wave analysis unlocks black hole collision secrets. Imagine unlocking the secrets of the universe's most violent cosmic events with unprecedented clarity. This is exactly what a groundbreaking new method for analyzing gravitational waves promises. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this refined approach challenge our current understanding of black hole collisions? And this is the part most people miss. It's not about discovering new black holes yet, but about sharpening the tools we use to study them, which could lead to revolutionary insights down the line. A team of researchers from the University of Portsmouth, University of Southampton, and University College Dublin has developed an innovative technique to analyze gravitational wave data with greater precision. Gravitational waves are ripples in the fabric of spacetime, created when massive objects like black holes crash into each other. These waves carry invaluable information about events that are otherwise invisible to traditional telescopes. Published recently in Nature Astronomy, this new method doesn't reveal new black hole discoveries immediately. Instead, it enhances how scientists match gravitational wave signals to theoretical models, setting the stage for future breakthroughs that could deepen our understanding of these enigmatic cosmic phenomena. Since the landmark detection of gravitational waves in 2015, a discovery that earned a Nobel Prize, our grasp of the universe has been transformed. These waves have opened a window into observing black hole mergers, events that are nearly impossible to detect with conventional optical instruments. Dr. Charlie Hoy, a research fellow at the University of Portsmouth's Institute of Cosmology and Gravitation and the lead author of the study, explains the challenge. When a gravitational wave sweeps past Earth, we capture a fleeting signal. To identify its source, we compare this signal against millions of theoretical gravitational wave patterns generated by different models. The tricky part is that not all these models are equally accurate. Traditionally, scientists rely on a statistical method called Bayesian inference to interpret gravitational wave data. This process often involves running multiple analyses using various models and then combining the results. However, the current ways of merging these results can overlook how closely each model adheres to Einstein's theory of general relativity, potentially leading to misleading conclusions. I've been exploring how to factor in model accuracy within gravitational wave Bayesian inference for years, Dr. Hoy shares. It's incredibly rewarding to see our approach come to fruition. Directly calculating gravitational waves by solving Einstein's field equations is notoriously complex. Over time, many models have been developed, but each involves some level of approximation. The new method incorporates this uncertainty directly into the data analysis, allowing scientists to place tighter constraints on fundamental black hole properties like mass and spin. What's exciting is that gravitational wave models are continuously improving. The method is designed to seamlessly integrate future, more accurate models into the analysis. This means that as models evolve, they can collectively refine our estimates of black hole characteristics, enhancing the precision of our cosmic measurements. This advancement raises intriguing questions. Could this approach reveal discrepancies in our current models of gravity? Might it challenge or confirm Einstein's century-old theory in new ways? We invite you to share your thoughts. Do you believe this method will revolutionize black hole research, or are there limitations we should be wary of? For those interested in diving deeper, the full study by Charlie Hoy and colleagues is available in Nature Astronomy, 2025, titled Incorporation of Model Accuracy in Gravitational Wave Bayesian Inference. DOI 10.1038S41550-025-02579-7. Source: Sharper gravitational wave analysis promises clearer insights into black hole collisions, 2025, July 15, retrieved the 22nd of July, 2025 from https://physics.org/news/sharper-gravitational-analysis-clearer-insights.html. Note: this content is provided for informational purposes only and is subject to copyright restrictions. Reproduction without permission is prohibited except for private study or research. Understanding gravitational waves. Model accuracy in Bayesian inference. In the quest to accurately detect and interpret gravitational waves, GWs, scientists face a daunting challenge, ensuring the accuracy of theoretical models. These models are crucial for translating the complex signals detected by observatories like LIGO into meaningful information about cosmic events. At the heart of this challenge lies the need to quantify the accuracy of these models, a task that requires sophisticated statistical methods. But here's where it gets controversial. The methods used to estimate waveform accuracy aren't always straightforward. They involve intricate mathematical formulations and complex computations. To simplify this, researchers have introduced a noise-weighted inner product that compares theoretical signals against numerical relativity simulations. This process involves a series of mathematical operations, including Fourier transforms and optimization over various model parameters. The accuracy of these models is then assessed using a mismatch metric, which quantifies how well a theoretical signal matches the actual data. This metric is computed by optimizing the normalized inner product over different model parameters. To make this process more efficient, researchers have developed a novel approach involving interpolants, which are essentially mathematical functions that estimate the mismatch across the entire parameter space. This method significantly reduces computational time, allowing for more extensive Bayesian inference analyses. But the real challenge lies in defining a discrete prior probability for each model. This is where things get tricky. The accuracy of each model varies across different regions of the parameter space, making it difficult to assign a uniform prior probability. Researchers have proposed using mismatch-dependent priors to address this issue, but this approach comes with its own set of complexities. The process of constructing these interpolants involves mapping the parameter space into a more manageable form, reducing the dimensionality and employing functional fitting techniques. Revolutionizing space discovery, new gravitational wave analysis unveiled. A groundbreaking advancement in the analysis of gravitational waves has emerged, captivating the scientific community and stirring excitement about its implications. Researchers from the University of Southampton, in collaboration with the University of Portsmouth and University College Dublin, have pioneered a novel technique that promises to enhance our understanding of the enigmatic collisions between black holes responsible for these ripples in the spacetime continuum. Dr. Charlie Hoy, a research fellow at the Institute of Cosmology and Gravitation at the University of Portsmouth and the lead author of the study, shares his insights. When a gravitational wave travels through our planet, it generates a transient signal. To uncover its source, we compare our observations against millions of theoretical gravitational wave signals produced under various models. The difficulty lies in the fact that not all models possess the same levels of precision. These gravitational waves, birthed from cataclysmic cosmic events like black hole mergers, first came to light back in 2015 in a remarkable discovery that earned a Nobel Prize. Since that historic moment, they have transformed into powerful tools for exploring phenomena that often elude detection by standard telescopes. Conventional techniques for analyzing gravitational wave signals typically involve the use of numerous models combined in a way that may overlook how well each aligns with Einstein's general theory of relativity. This oversight can lead to ambiguities or erroneous conclusions about the signals. The innovative approach introduced by the researchers directly addresses this issue by integrating model accuracy into the analysis process. Dr. Hoy enthusiastically notes, "I have been contemplating how to weave model accuracy into gravitational wave Bayesian inference for quite some time. The realization of our method is truly exhilarating. With our technique, we integrate this uncertainty directly into the gravitational wave data analysis, allowing us to establish tighter constraints on the fundamental properties of black holes. What's particularly exciting about this new methodology is its adaptability. It is designed to evolve as new models emerge." Dr. Hoy elaborates further, "As gravitational wave models continue to advance and likely become more precise in the near future, our method can seamlessly incorporate these improvements into our algorithm. This collective analysis of all models will enhance our ability to constrain key characteristics of black holes, such as their mass and spin." But here's where it gets controversial. As we refine our understanding of these cosmic phenomena, how might our perceptions of black holes, a topic wrapped in mystery and intrigue, change? Do you think this groundbreaking approach will revolutionize other fields of astrophysics, or does it merely refine our existing knowledge? Share your thoughts in the comment.